In the world of manufacturing, operational excellence is everything. But even the most successful companies face hurdles in managing projects efficiently. This is the story of Knape and Vogt, how they overcame their project management challenges with Celoxis. Knape and Vogt, based in Michigan, USA, is a global leader in storage solutions. Known for innovation and quality, their growth was inevitable. But even giants like them face challenges when it comes to managing projects. Before Celoxis, Knape and Vogt struggled with several project management roadblocks, isolated project management systems, teams working independently with no centralized view, lack of portfolio visibility, difficulty tracking overall project progress, and prioritizing resources, inefficient communication, delays, misunderstandings, and missed deadlines, manual financial tracking, time-consuming and error-prone financial assessments. Celoxis transformed their project management processes from scattered and inefficient to streamlined and efficient. What changed with Celoxis? Portfolio visibility, centralized hub for better decision-making, faster decision-making, 15 to 20% improvement in decision speed, time savings, 5 to 10 hours saved weekly on reporting, cost control, project success up by 25%, costs reduced by 10%, financial transparency, real-time insights into profitability. PMO Director Kelly Talsma, with 25 years of experience, had this to say about Celoxis: the best project and portfolio management tool I've ever worked with. Great product, great customer service. With Celoxis, Knape and Vogt transformed their project management. Here's what they achieved. Achieved a 25% higher project success rate, reduced costs by 10%, increased decision-making speed by 15 to 20%. Knape and Vogt's journey proves that the right tools drive success. Ready to transform your project management? Discover Celoxis today. Streamline, scale, succeed. Choose Celoxis.